Today we found an exclusive 4-bedroom hall kitchen apartment in the vicinity of Khar West area. Hardly walking distance from Khar Gymkhana, around 1,591 square feet of a 4-bedroom hall kitchen apartment. The best part is that the floor to ceiling height of this flat is around more than 11 feet. Possession is around December 2024. We have multiple options over here in case if at all you want to make a duplex flat, or in case if at all you want to make a large 3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment, anything is possible. This is the living area, as you can see, very beautifully done up flat. From living area, let's have a look at the kitchen. In the kitchen also you have nice parallel countertops over there. All the 4 bedrooms are having washroom attached to it, plus you have a powder room separately as well. Another exclusivity of this apartment is that there is only one apartment on each floor. Once again I repeat, we are in the vicinity of Khar West area. Apart from being very near to the Khar Gymkhana, you are also very near to the SV Road and Linking Road. Another 2 bedrooms are on that side. It's a butterfly type of a layout structure. Now you will see the bedroom sizes are very huge. The developer has made this very beautifully. You can amend as per your requirements and needs. For carpet area pricing and to see the flat, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors.